Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom, you should just go to settings. After that you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Google Classroom. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Then you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. And after that you can go to Play Store. You'll find an install here and you can click to install again your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.